Alright, so today we'll be talking about in pre-calculus special sequences and series and how to find sums. Okay, so Fibonacci sequence. If you were actually making this a series, which would be ironic because the sequence is a series, you add the terms before it and everything, but you could just stop off at any sequence and just add them up. So Fibonacci sequence. Once again, the infamous sequence where you start with 1 and 1. Well, actually, technically, you're starting with 1 and 0, and then you just add them up to get the next subsequent term. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, and you just work your way up. Okay, now in the exponential series, which is e to the x, this is hugely important that you understand this because you're going to be using this like, I don't know, greased lightning was used in Greece, okay, when you get to calculus. All right, so the formula is just straight up x to the n power divided by n, and x is actually going to be what's in the exponent, okay? All right, and so as we just work our way down on this, okay, as you work your way across, you'll stop off at whatever sequence, but if you were actually go to infinity, this would be it. Okay, now the trigonometric series is going to be listed out like this, and it does look hugely complicated and confusing, but it's actually just whatever x is, you just bring it into this formula, and you just put it right here, and right here, and right here as you work across. Okay, sine of x, same thing, just put x right here, here, and just work your way across, okay? Alright, now Euler's formula is actually used if you want to write a imaginary or a complex number in exponential form. Okay, so whatever alpha is, you just plug it into here and you're good to go. Okay, now you do need to find alpha by using the tangent inverse. So tangent inverse of both sides, and it's going to be the tangent inverse of oh gosh, what was it? Y divided by x. There we go. And then you're going to add 180 if x is less than 0. Okay, and that's going to be your actual alpha. So let me see, what is alpha? Well, it's 224. Okay, so as you work your way across on this, just remember this part is just going to be the optional part as you work with it, okay? And just plug in the formula and just simplify each one. Just once again, very simple stuff to work with, okay? All right. Now, I wouldn't advise using your TI calculators for this because you're starting off with such a unique number for each one. Okay, so I would strongly recommend just leave it as is and just hand crank out those numbers and then add them up, and you are going to be getting an approximation, okay? Alright, that's it for special sequences and series. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me or ask me. Bye.